Welcome to the Hawaiian island of Kauai. About 5 million years old, this is the oldest of Hawaii's main islands. It's also known as the Garden Isle for reasons that will soon become obvious. Jack Harter Helicopters offers a tour around the island in a chopper with the doors removed. This is a great way to feel immersed in the scenery and also makes for much better photos and video than through glass. We start and finish our tour at Lihue Airport, the island's main gateway for the 1.3 million tourists who visit Kauai each year. There is a two-way intercom system over which the pilot provides narration, but my GoPro was not connected to this, so I've gone with music instead. These waterfalls are also known as Jurassic Park Falls, after featuring in the 1993 film of that name. Canyon is one of the world's most scenic canyons. At 910 metres deep, Waimea Canyon is often referred to as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. The eastern side of Kauai's second highest peak, Mount Waiolioli, is one of the wettest spots on Earth, with an average annual rainfall of 460 inches. We were very lucky to have clear weather for the entire trip. The high annual rainfall has created deep valleys carving out canyons and a countless number of scenic waterfalls. This doors-off helicopter tour was one of the most spectacular trips I've ever taken. I can't recommend it highly enough. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.